In the Agile Change Agent course, we focused on 4 major areas, 2 of which are structural, if you like, and 2 of which are very much around how we behave. So we've given you a roadmap, as we've called it. You might decide to call it a life cycle model. It could be called a plan, but what we've shown you is how, using the repeatable structure of Agile, this idea of we're doing a wave of change and then the next wave and the next wave, that we've given you a really simple way of dividing up time so that you can make sure everything gets done. You've introduced some value into the business, you've helped people create new ways of working, and then you can go on and repeat it all again for another aspect of a new way of working. So that roadmap becomes the fundamental structure. We've also helped you prioritise what do you do first, what do you do next, by using the concept of business value, because that's really what matters. You have to keep asking yourself, what will make the most difference? What will be the most beneficial thing that I could do now? So we explore quite a lot on how we actually create that understanding, and we give you lots of techniques and lots of ideas for how you can do that. We then look at the fundamental principle behind actually helping somebody to change how they work, which is that we build empathy and trust. We build strong relationships where people are prepared to collaborate with us and to trust our judgment and to want to share their ideas with us. So we look at a lot of relationship building techniques. They're all based in very well worked out academic theory, the latest in neuroscience, but without blinding you with science. So we keep it really simple, but every time I train this course, people think it's so impactful, so useful, and so practical, because they go away learning stuff about how they behave and how others behave. Every time they have amazing insights. And finally, we follow it up with just a little bit of consideration on the kind of culture or environment that will really help people respond to your change and want to take part. And we put that into some very practical ideas, a few techniques that you can do that will really help people feel confident, well supported and motivated to create new ways of working and fully adopt them as the new norm in their area of the business.